I first saw pancake spaghetti a few years ago and I thought, why not give it a crack? They should be fun for breakfast or dessert, especially when you're camping and you want to use the residual heat off your barbecue. With all of the dry ingredients mixed, it's now onto the wet stuff. Make sure you only use the inside of a chicken egg. We don't need the shell for this recipe. If you used a crocodile egg, that should be illegal. In fact, I think it is. You're in a bit of trouble. Did you know that pancakes were first invented by the Greeks in 600 BC? The next part of the recipe is very crucial. We're going to be warming up some milk. You do not want to warm it up too much though. You should be able to hold your finger in it for 2 seconds without burning yourself. If you're burning yourself, you're cooking your finger and not the pancake mixture. And add to a low heat until the butter has melted. Once the butter has melted and you're not burning yourself, we can start to make up our pancake batter. Now, if you can't afford a $2 squeezy bottle, use a Ziploc bag and just trim the corner off. It's $2. Go and get it. And this is a serving for one. If you want to make it for two, double the ingredients. You want to make it for three, triple the ingredients. You can do the math. Today, we need a flat top grill, cast iron pan, charcoal grill, or a flat top cooker. It doesn't matter as long as it's flat. Just turn on the liquid charcoal and we're going to let that hot plate warm up for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, you should be able to hold your hand over that hot plate without the smell of burning flesh. Don't forget to carefully place the grill back in. Now don't get all itchy fingered and turn the heat up and then try and turn it back down. We only need a medium heat to cook these spaghetti pancakes. Did you know everyone loves pancakes, even gluten intolerant people? Cooking time for this recipe will be 3 minutes, or for those of you using my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. Once the grill is warm, we can oil it up and start cooking our pancake spaghetti. Now keep cooking the batter in batches until it's all done. And like most pancake recipes, the first batch is never the best. So serve that to your least favourite family member or friend. Now clearly that was a joke. The first batch always goes to the mother-in-law. Now you can add whatever toppings you like to your pancake spaghetti. Let your imagination run wild. Not too wild though, don't be adding barbecue sauce to them. And the results, super tasty, not dry, and a little bit moist. Smut!